Okay, so how's everybody doing? So this is going to be a just a quick little review of the Rapido EMD SW1200 DC Silent Undecorated Standard Body Flexicoil truck. Okay, and I had to shoot this video twice because the last one I was way too emotional. Like I was blown away when I opened this. Like I had no idea. Like they really knocked it out of the park on this one. But let me just quickly share something about this. Like most of you know that I picked this up, right? These are really good too, right? I got this for 60 Canadian. And I was going to convert this into a SW900 RS with the Flexicoil trucks. But this one never came with Flexicoil. It has a Type A and it has no side railing. So it would have taken quite a bit of work to bring it up to the standard of the SRY Rail Link locomotives, you know, the original, which were formerly BC Hydro, which they still have the whole roster and fleet of them, right? But they're all been updated and so on. Anyway, so I saw these, like these came in, right? And I knew like a year ago, I said, I got to get my hands on one of these, right? And, you know, it's got all the usual fare, the manual and stickers, and I like this one. And this one applies to this totally, and I'll show you why. So I was blown away when I opened this kit, like completely blown away. I had no idea it would include what it has, okay? Like I won't have to worry about railings for this. Or other parts, like cabs and long hoods and just other parts. Because, because I'll show you. Okay, so this is loaded with parts. You can see there's got different bezels. It's got the vertical, horizontal bezels. It's got, this kit has the options to build every single one of their SW1200 switches. It's all combined in here if you want to build whatever version you want. Okay, look at the railings. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think is there 6 set of railings here, and they're metal. They're metal railings. Like I haven't even looked at this long enough. Like even the hoses, like these guys really knocked it out of the park with this kit. Like I have to order another one before I post this video. Because I won't be able to get the second one. Anyway, like here's the fuel tank with extra air tanks there. Windows, like as if that wasn't enough, there's like 2 sets of windows. Different numbers, different window styles. It's just too much. It's too much. Like all the, you know, the stairwells, you know, the journals for the couplers are the way they're modeled and detailed. Like I've never seen a kit like this ever. Like never like this. I feel actually blessed as a Canadian to have a kit like this made by a Canadian manufacturer. People that really have a love for what they do, because it really shows in this kit. Okay, so I won't bore you with a lot of this, but there's bells and little sunshades and horns, right? Just, oh my goodness, this is unbelievable. Okay, so different stacks, modern different louvers and radiator fittings, several, you know, vertical bezels. It also has the horizontal bezels. More front. Like look at all the front railings on this for the pilot. Like that. Like I'm still stunned every time I open this. Okay, so when I first looked at the model itself, like this, okay, I gotta hurry because I don't want to go past 10 minutes here. So I looked at this, heavy, right? So very heavy. I thought, oh no, it's got the A style trucks. I wanted flexi, but then when I dug a little deeper, here's another set of trucks, fully functional, wired and everything. Flexicoil Dofasco trucks, the ones that are on these units. That I want to model, like, you know, I don't know what to say, you know. Now, look at all the photo etch. Look at it. it's heavy, man. Like there's tons of just the stair treads, the grab handles, all the different sizes and styles. Ones with rounded tops, ones with angled returns, lift rings brass, more brass. All the vents, like the vents for the radiators, and the look at the horns. There's like, what is there, 6-7 horns here? There's a K5 Nathan M3. It goes on and on like this. And then look at this here. 10 treads, frame treads, photo etched brass frame treads. 10 of them. With different pilot holes for different versions. Now look at this. This is what blew me away. 4 long hoods. All Proto quality. Actually, I would say they're a level up on Proto. Just a level, not by much though. Proto's pretty good, but look at all this. So there's 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this just floored me. Look at this. 9 cabs. 9. Like what? Did they make a mistake? Like, okay, so Rapido, I give you a 10 out of 10 for out of the box review. Like quick. Like I don't know how the locomotive runs, to be fair. As far as assembly goes, no doubt it'll be a challenge. It's probably not for the faint of heart because they don't really give you a really good instruction manual. But I'll have no problem putting this thing together. But I mean, I got enough here. Like I already have 2 chassis now. I got 2 Proto chassis, so I can do other versions too, right? And the Proto one I can use for the Mac Blow one that I want to use that was used up in Port Mellon that went through SRY Rail-Link shops as well. Okay, so I just want to tell you right now, and it comes in just a white box, a mystery box with a label on the side. But this just blew me away. Like, have you ever seen a kit like this? An Undeck? That has this whole range of coverage? I haven't. So, Otter Valley Railroad has a whole whack of these right now in Canada. And they're $209 Canadian. And if you love switchers and you don't get one of these, you're crazy. Because they're not going to be available for long. And if you're buying one that's pre-painted or done, like you just get the one version, right? Like you might get a few little bag of parts, but you don't get this. Okay? So, just wanted to share that with you. And like I say, I'll probably be snagging another one very quick. And then I'll just quickly post this review. Anyway, EMD SW1200 DC Silent Undecorated Standard Body Flexicoil Trucks number 27060 by Rapido. Just fantastic. 10 out of 10. Thank you, Rapido. Thumbs up.